Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to check recently downloaded apps on your iPhone. For example, if you want to check how many apps you have downloaded recently and which are these apps, even if you have deleted that apps, then you can check on how many time you have downloaded the app and what was the date, which means you can simply check all the downloaded app history on your iPhone. So how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply open the App Store here. And after opening the App Store, what you have to do, you have to simply click on the profile. And after clicking on profile, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of purchase history. So App Store allows you to download the apps sometimes with payment and sometimes with free. So they track all the records of the apps. So you can simply filter these results and you can simply check how many times, which means if you can check for this year, last year, and you can also check for custom dates that you have downloaded the app. So here if you click on apply, then you can simply check all the app which I have recently downloaded. So in this way you can simply check all the apps history that you have downloaded. So if you want to check how many apps you have downloaded on your iPhone and on which date, then you can simply do that from here. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.